And at the back, deep inside the recesses of our mind, is always the perpetuation, the propagation of the race. Yan ang instinct na binigay ng Diyos, kaya marami na tayo dito. Pero along with it, nagbigay ng Diyos ng libog. Di ang problema, kasi yung iba hanggang libog lang. So bakit natin taguin ang problema? Why keep it a secret? The cycle of life. Hindi mo ma-schedule ang libog. The sexual instinct. Wag mong schedule kaya hindi yan pwedeng ma-schedule. Biology yan. Nakita mo yung mga aso, sila-sila lang. Diyan pa sa harap mo. That's biology. Lalo ng tao. But we need the Filipinos. Huwag mo naman yan sobra-sobra. Ngayong mga bata, ang ayaw ko diyan, naawa ako sa tao. Na lumabas siya, walang, walang gatas. So the brain to start malfunction. No nutrients. Walang magbuting pagkain. Underfed and malnourished. Tapos sabi mo, in thy name. In thy name, wag kasi wala pa sa kalendaryo. So, ang buhay natin, regulated sa kalendaryo, naloko na.
Sir, mag-shift lang.
Pagkamatay na lang ako niyan.
Okay. Sir, mag-shift lang konti. Sir, nabalitaan niyo na po yung kay Sandra Cam na incident sa airport where she name dropped si Pong.
Si what?
Yung incident po ng...
Hindi sa pinapasok.
Sir, yung medyo may pinagalitan.
May altercation?
Opo, sir.
Yes.
Sir, is it true?
I was told about it, hindi ko nabasa.
But is it true, sir, na may cabinet position waiting for her?
No, she helped me during the last election. Prangka-prangka ako. Well, her behavior, let the public judge it. Ako tumulong siya. At tutulungan ko siya.
So meron, sir.
Ano utang na loob yan? Yung pagtulong naman niya, she came out really, sabi niya magtulong siya sa kampanya, and she did campaign. So yan ang promise ko. Tutulungan ko siya. If she would ask for a work, I'll give her the work. And it's not erased just because he was shouting there. That's your business.
Okay. Sir, do we know the position already that we're...
Wala pa. Patay pa tayo ng kabinete bago. Kompleto na yan eh.
Magandang gabi, Mr. President.
Sir,
Tanong ko lang, kasi nung last day, sinabi niyo sa mga local government officials sa Mindanao na you need the help.
Hindi lang, tapos na yan. Hindi lang sa Central Mindanao. Lahat sa Mindanao, sinabi ko, different audiences lang yan sila.
Na kailangan niyo po to topple down terrorism. Hindi naman po kaila sa ating kaalaman na meron din po mga lokal na opisyal ng pamahalaan na involved din o nakikinabang din sa terrorist groups and most especially sa Abu Sayyaf.
That is why, that's the problem. Sabihin na ng mga militante, kinukondem nila ang martial law. Gusto nila? O sige. Sabi ko, I have given access to everybody. They can come here. Mga militante dito, o sige, kayo ang bahala sa Mindanao. Solo first. Sige. Ayaw mo kanina ng martial law.
So you might have names of those government
Hindi na
officials?
kailangan. Basta sinabi ko sa kanila, I called for them. I did not go into specifics. I said that do not cuddle or protect the enemies of the state. And if it is widespread at binubomba niya mga eskwelahan ng mga bata, the State University of Marawi, ang sa Zamboanga, ibang istorya na to. I can understand if you attack a garrison of the military there, go ahead. Kasi magkalaban talaga tayo. But when you start to slaughter the innocents, makukuha talaga ninyo ang gusto ninyo. Ako, I said, I do not want it. I am not good at it. Pero wag ninyo do not force my hand into it. Kasi sinabi ko, ayaw ko ng martial law. Kasi dito, yung mga sisigaw na ayaw-ayaw, yun lang namang mga opposition. But they are not into killing people. They are not killing, bombing, government structures and including the schools of the children. Pag ginawa ninyo yan, hindi tayo makaintindihan. Kung gusto ninyo, ibigay ko talaga. It's provided for in the Constitution. I'm warning everybody not to do it. But if you continue the depredations there, killing the innocents, pagka martial law is martial law. What you'll have is not a search warrant or warrant aso. Balik tayo sa aso, and I would not hesitate to do it. Wala akong, sabi na mag-criticize ka. You can even shout until you die. I cannot do anything for you. Just don't Philippines.
Last question.
Wag sa panahon ko. Wag sa panahon ko kasi ayaw ko talaga yung inaapi yung tao.
Thank you, sir.
Ayaw ko yung inaapi ang Pilipino. Na hindi na makalakad kasi takot. Tapos dyan, kahapon may babaeng ni-rape. Pinatay. May cohort sa 5 lahat, 4. May babae pandalawa, bangag. Sa droga, yun. Huwag kayong magkumpiyansa, kayong mga durugista, kayong mga drug lords, at kayong nagpapasa dyan. Do not ever think that human rights, yung propaganda will save you from the gallows, from entering the mouths of hell. Huwag ninyong gawin yan sa Pilipino kasi nangako ako. Mas sagrado ang aking oath of office kaysa human rights issue. After all na mamatay yung tao, gusto ninyong mauna? Good. Ibibigay ko talaga sa inyo. You want to die first? Good. I'll give you this life is a matter of choice. Do not kill children. You will force me into it. Pag nandyan na ako, sabi ko, ang martial law is walang search warrant. Walang warrant of arrest. Tandaan ninyo yan.
Last question is from Myla.
At hindi rin ako papayag na i-curtail mo yung powers ko. I will implement martial law the way it is worded and defined in the dictionaries and legal books. No other interpretation. Pagka ganon, I'm warning you, it's the military who runs the show.
Laila?
Good evening, sir. The PNP has already resumed its Oplan Tokhang operations. What was the reason for your decision to still create the Interagency Anti-Illegal Drug Task Force?
Kasi kita mo naman ang nangyari, it was disastrous. But for you, sabihin mo na may pera sila. May pera talaga yung mga gagong yan. Sabi na bigyan ni pera. Otherwise, wala nga transaction. If there is no trafficking is buying shabu and selling shabu. Absent that, I cannot control drugs in this. I will do it the way, the best I can. As a lawyer, and as a prosecutor, and as a congressman, yun ang experience dala-dala ko sa akin, sa opisina ko ngayon. So I will use them. It was given to me by the Lord. Ayan, mag-aral ka, mag-abogado ka, mag-mayor ka, mag-congressman ka, kung ano yung pinag-aralan mo dyan, gamitin mo para sa kapwa mo tao. I said, my duty begins and ends with public interest. Wala akong hilig na mag-diktador. Kaya hindi ako sanay niyan. At sabi mo, pag abot ng panahon, I would not even stay a minute longer.
Sir, just to clarify, your concern is that the previous mistakes of the PNP would be repeated since they've resumed.
It's not clear to me what were those mistakes. But maraming namatay along the way. Some, sila lang nag-iintrigahan. Of course, the intrigues were planted by government. That is why when we became mayor, hindi makaagad kami nagdiretso eh. Pinag-aralan muna namin, tapos sabi ko, plant intrigues. Na ikaw, pumiyait si ganon, ikaw naman, bata mo, pinatay. Ang nagpatay, yun siya. Ganon. So, yung first round, yun yung mga nag-ubusan sila para walang magpipiyak. And when we began the operations, I am sure that plenty got killed. Yung iba, ayaw sumuko, lumaban. Sabi ko sa pulis, huwag kang magpakamatay. Sila ang dapat patayin mo, huwag yung taga-gobyerno. But I said again, in the wake of its operation sa drug industry, marami naman akong namamatay na sundalo ko, pati polis ko. Ikuko yan kasi ako ang utos eh. Masabihin, sino 30 kinuko niyan? Hindi ko nakaangkin yung gobyerno. I'm telling you, what I'm telling you is the way it was done. So, aking talaga, utusan ko eh. Inutusan ko, hindi utusan. Inutusan ko ganitong trabaho. Ganitong guidelines mo. This is standard. This is the standard. Follow it. And I will answer for you. Wala man akong ano dyan sa liability. Hindi ako pag gano'n. Kung totoo yan, sige. Kulong tayo.
Thank you, President. Thank you. Thank you, Secretary of the Press. Thank you.
Okay? Salamat. Saan si Pia? Tahimik si Pia. Oh.